Hey guys, today we're gonna make a quick unboxing video. However, this is a huge box for only a 15-inch laptop. Let's just see what's inside. So, should be able to open this up right here. There we go. So here's the laptop, that's the charger. I think the box is way too big for what you guys get, but let's take everything out anyways. So that's that. Let's take out the actual laptop. So we get inside, nothing else inside the box. I'm liking the charger because it's pretty small, I like small chargers. So here we go, we just plug this in here, and it's a charger. So that's it, and that's it. Nothing to it. Just set that on the side. Right here, we're gonna get some instructions that we will go through later on. And here we go. So during this unboxing, I'm just gonna show you exactly this. What's inside the box, how this looks like. That's pretty much it. On the review, then you guys will see this actually working and see if it's actually worth it and all that stuff, because I'm gonna test it out as much as I can. And on my setup video, that's where you guys see how to set this up, which is almost like any laptop really. There's nothing really special about setting these laptops up. Let's just take it out. So by the way, the review will be coming after a few weeks. However, the setup video is right away. See, as long as you guys see this unboxing, the setup video should be on right away. And obviously review, I have to test it out extensively before I can make one. So we will see that later on. So right here, you guys will see the branding. Now this, although it has that metal-ish feel, not feel to it, but look to it, it doesn't feel like metal because it isn't. It's just plastic. And I can see you can get dirty pretty fast, which kind of sucks. But anyways, let's just take a look around it. It is pretty big, 15-inch. Feels like 17-inch really, not 15-inch. Now here on the back, we're gonna see exactly that, nothing. To the side, we have our DVD. We've got our USB input, headphones, and SD card input right there. Just some speakers would be down there. And on the side, this is what you guys get as well. So these are pretty good. It's pretty good what we're getting with this laptop. So it's pretty much up to date, except for the DVD drive, but a lot of people still use that, so that's fine. Anyways, that's it around it. Now let me open it up for you dudes. Now once opened up, again, pretty nice finish. It doesn't feel that heavy or that light, which is a really good thing, because when they're really light, that means they're cheap parts. This does not feel cheap. This feels okay. Right up here, we see their camera, which is great. I'm gonna do some close-up shots for you. As you guys can see, the screen is a little bit different than others. This doesn't have that reflection to it. Right here, we got that regular keyboard, nothing really special about it. And here, that's very important. And here we go, trackpad, really regular size. They could have made it bigger for the space that they actually have. Anyways, that would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.